What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's doing well. We're going to go over our friend Bitcoin. Currently sitting at 29,930. We're sitting at market cap of 572 billion, 24-hour volume 41.98 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. Grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback and crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So we're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So we talked about our 5-wave structure and how we're possibly putting in a WXY correction. Now this just may be a large pullback before pushing up to that 33 to 34K level, where we've just basically put in an A, B, C correction after making this 5-wave push to the upside. So if we were to hold this level of support, I think it would be invalidated if we came down and we broke 28.7. But as you can see, we broke out of this descending triangle, and we may just be coming back for that back test before seeing a 5-wave structure all the way up to 33 to 34K and possibly putting in a large A, B, C all the way up to 33 to 34K, completing the Y leg, and then coming down to that 22 to 24K. The other scenario, in my opinion, is that this is the end of the Y leg, and what we've done here is we've put in an ABC, because each leg is a 3-way move. So we put in an ABC to make our W, we put in an ABC to complete the X wave, and then once again we put in an A, B, C to complete the Y leg, and now we're going to start that 5-wave structure down, and within each wave is 5 smaller waves. So we're starting out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that would complete the wave 1, and you'd be looking for that 5-wave move to the downside. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Just going to quickly change the color here. Perfect. So you'd be looking for that 5-wave move in the larger final 5th wave, bringing you down to that 22K level. But if we do push up to 33 to 34K, then all we're looking at here, in my opinion, is a larger ABC, where we've come up, we've made A, corrective wave B, or final wave C to take you up to 33 to 34K. Finish that larger corrective wave 4 before seeing continuation down to 22 to 24K. So if you see us start to bounce here, that's when you can see that 5-wave move up to 33 to 34K, get rejected in my opinion, and start to come down to that 22 to 24K level. This could be the bottom. If our wave 4 were to come up and invalidate and push up into the wave 1, which is coming in at about 38K, then it could invalidate this, and this could be the bottom for BTC, but I don't think it's a likely scenario. If we pop over to our next chart, we're still range bound. As you can see, we had a massive bull trap, a massive fake out to the upside, just to fall over once again and come right down into this range in between about 30.5 and about 31K and about 28.6 and 28.9K. So if BTC finally comes down, breaks this level of support, back tests it as resistance, then I do believe you'll start to come down to fill this wick here. If we pop over to the 4-hour time frame, come down to fill this wick at about 25K, and then make your way down to 22 to 24K, in my opinion. We'll quickly pop this over to the daily time frame just to show you guys the daily EMAs. Just going to remove some of these lines here. So we did push above the 20. We weren't able to hold it as support. The bears pushed the price right back down. A lot of bearish strength, showing, in my opinion, that the bears are still in control here. So if you see the bulls push the price all the way up to that 33 to 34K level, watch the 55 EMA. If you see a strong rejection off that level, I would expect you to be coming down to that 22 to 24K level. Bitcoin would have to put in a lot of work to break these levels of resistance and push all the way up to that 37 to 38K level. If Bitcoin were to push up to those levels of resistance, then I do think the Bitcoin bottom may be in here. But personally, I think this is just a bit of a relief bounce before seeing that final wave 5 down to 22 to 24K. The short positions have been increasing a little bit, 6% today, up 6.4%, which can be an early signal that the bears are looking to push the price back down. And of course, we're seeing that infinite increase in longs. They kind of steadied out here. So in the short term, really what you want to watch is if 28.6, 28.7 is broken, if that support is lost, then I would expect you to come down for that wave 5 to 22 to 24K. But if we bounce here, then I do think we're putting in a larger ABC to push up to 33 to 34,000 before making our way down to those 22 to 24K price targets. That's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord, over 1,900 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And we have the DCA trade strategy, very simple, low stress way of trading, fully explained. The DCA charts for the live dollar cost average trades on the channel, as well as buy and take profit zones. If you want to start dollar cost averaging into your altcoin positions, and at the $10 membership, my exact entries, exits, take profits. You can sign up through the Patreon if you want to trade with me. Make sure to sign up to Bybit, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.